I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Spectre 20-inch LED monitor. So this is a really great, just basic monitor if you need something like I'm doing here, which is a monitor to test new systems I might be building. Ultimately, if I want to have a monitor up on top of my workbench with a computer to look stuff up online, I don't need something that's super complex. I'm not going to be, gaming with this or anything. I just need a basic, easy to set up, easy to use monitor. This is a great option. It's very thin. You can see the depth of the panel here because it is an LED monitor, and it's got again a 20-inch diagonal size there. Comes with this stand that clicks into the back. There's two screws that hold it in place. Alternatively, it also comes with a setup for wall mounting. So if you have a wall mount, you can connect it. It's got the screws that you need in order to do that, and it comes with 4 of those to go into a wall mount plate if you have that. In terms of the connections on the back, really simple. It comes with a power supply. Then we've got our audio. We've got one VGA input if you're using an older computer with it, and then 2 HDMI inputs. So I've got HDMI, and it actually comes with its own HDMI cable, which is a nice touch you don't often see on monitors like this. Over on the side, we've got our controls. Again, just basic stuff here, being able to switch the monitor on, switch inputs. And so far, the picture looks pretty good. I'm just doing setup on a new build here, but you can see the the resolution, the colors, the brightness all look good. It also does have the ability to do some night mode where you can reduce the amount of blue light that's coming out, so that's helpful, especially if you're using it late at night in a workshop like I've got here. And it does have a 75 hertz refresh rate, so if you did need to use it for video or even some basic gaming, this could be a really great option. So that's the Spectre 20-inch LED monitor.